How to download the correct version of Opticam for the version of NX you are using. First, we can switch the website over to English. Next, we'll click the Service and Support and Service tabs. Then we'll select Downloads. We'll go down to the bottom. We'll select our product, which will be Opticam. And then from here, you will select the version that matches the version of NX that you have installed. So open up each year and then look for the NX and then the version number next to it and download the one accordingly that matches. If you do not see your version in there, please reach out to our support staff at support@optisolutionsUSA.com and we'll be able to assist you in getting the correct format downloaded. Thank you and have a good day.